Hey there, Dallin here with Rainforest Plumbing and Air. If you're managing a commercial space here in the Phoenix area, dealing with HVAC issues is probably something you've had to face, or will at some point. You know, finding the right commercial HVAC repair service is about more than just fixing what's broken. You want a team that actually understands commercial systems, because they're a lot more complex than residential ones. You need to look for real experience, proper licensing, and training. Also, watch out for vague pricing. Clear, upfront quotes should be the standard, not the exception. And if they can't show the work they've done locally, especially in a climate like Phoenix, that's a red flag. Another big one is availability. ACs don't wait for business hours to break, so it's worth knowing if your repair team can handle emergencies when they happen. If your commercial HVAC system needs repairs, give us a call or visit AskRain.com. We're ready when you are. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.